Hi, welcome to Keg That's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of Keg King's pressure fermenter. So what has happened since the first video is it has been fermenting, and I had to turn the spunding valve down a couple of times because the pressure started to creep up. I fermented at ambient temperature and it stayed at a fairly stable 18 degrees according to the sticker on the outside of it. And then I have put it straight in my keezer. I've connected it up. I installed a new tap for it and everything. And then it was pretty much ready to go. It was carbonated from the start. I did try some. This was like maybe a week and a half ago. And it was great from the tap. And I actually did make a video testing it to see what it was like. But I thought it would be good to do another test like a week and a half later to see if how fresh the beer still is. So as I say, it was carbonated from the go. I could drink it straight away, but let's see what it's like now. So it's still pretty hazy. It's clearer than it used to be, but I'm not sure where all that haze is coming from. US05 is a good flocculator, and I use Protafloc in the boil. But yeah, it's a good colour. It is it's fairly clear. It's got a good head on it. Quite rocky. So it has a very powerful hop character still. It's got that strong orange flavour. It's got woody flavour. It's got like sweet citrus fruits in there as well. It's very pungent. This is a very clean beer. It's very complex as well. You're getting a lot of those Amarillo flavors. Amarillo is a very complex hop. I'm getting quite a bit of woodiness, some strong orange flavors, and like a nice rounded bitterness to it. So what has happened over time is that the bitterness has become more rounded. It was quite a bit punchy at first, and it's subsided a bit. And over the like 1.5 to 2 weeks or so since I tried it from the keg, some of the hop character has rounded off very slightly, but it's actually way more balanced, and it's very clean, and it's really tasty actually. And as I have been drinking this over the past 2 weeks, I do think that this has actually been one of the best beers I've brewed, and it's because there hasn't really been any transfer. It's been in one vessel the whole time, and it's been under CO2. There's been like no risk of oxidation or anything like that. Some of the malts are coming through, and it's got kind of a sweet malt flavour, and it's just so interesting because there's quite a few delicate flavours I wouldn't normally get in a beer, but they are in this, and it's amazing. And I kind of want to do all my ferments as pressure ferments now. Well, all my clean beers anyway. I'm going to do a video on decoction mashing in my attempt to make a really good lager, and a lager will really benefit from a pressure ferment. And I think once this is free, once this vessel is free, I'm going to do the ferment in there and see how it comes out. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm going to post a link below to all the stuff that I've used and all the things I'm talking about, and to the first video. My verdict is pressure fermenting is really good, and it makes a huge difference. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like, please do subscribe. Would really like to hear your experience with pressure fermenting, so do comment below. Thank you.